Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
Ya, un cafecito. Uy, está chorreando por ahí abajo.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God.
Alright, just read that first line for me. Am, scared of. What? Next line. Wow, I'm not saying that. Can't read that one? I can read it, it's the N word, I'm not going to say it. Oh, well, I guess you need glasses. Have a good day. You too. Oh, Niagara.
Stewie, you don't look so good. Oh, baby, you're burning up. Oh, my God, Stewie! Stewie, speak to me!
Don't take me to a black doctor. Let your boom and make it boom.
Hey, babe, what's going on?
Hey.
I can read your mind, Kyle.
What am I thinking right now?
You want to have sex with me?
Get the fuck away from me! I hate you! Stop playing the fucking song! I hate you so much! I'm literally typing in your eye. Don't fucking play it!
What the fuck is going on here?
You constantly love and you can't even look me in the eyes, man, and tell me the truth.
Shit's caught, bitch.
Light is like really being like it's just like the flare of the light just being weird. I'm not stalling, so hold up, let me put this down right here. I'm not stalling. What the Alright, that's better.
What are you doing, asshole?
None of your goddamn fucking business, bitch.
11 de la noche en Managua, Nicaragua.
Me gustan los aviones, me gustas tú, me gusta viajar.
What do you mean I can't dismember my neighbor when I'm upset? What about free speech, huh? Do we not live in a free country? I can't go over there and just fucking decapitate him? Come on!
May I suggest the Benelli M4?
I call it Peter Griffin's bunker busting mega ultra
Stupid
The devil is a liar. Not today. Are you ready? What's your name again? All right.
Look at this. Look at this hair!
Say my name. I don't even know who you are. I'm the cook.
Whoa. What the f?
What does a DJ call his son? Hey, Rick.
What is that? It's a Caesar salad.
Who's that? You don't know who that is? No. The Rock. What? The guy from Fortnite? No! You're joking! No, I'm serious.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home.
The next stop is Vanessa Street, Essex Street.
Say a few words.
Yeah, go ahead.
Who's thinking outside the box now, Harold?
He's just begging to be punched in the face.
Take it back. He just wants a little kiss on his nose. Take it back.
On a Thursday. There's a private place for these type of meetings, and I can tell you right now, that's not the place.
What's with the hat?
I always wear this hat.
No, Evan, you don't. Just take it off.
Okay.
Surprise, it's me.
No stowage.
This is 6 feet. Dude, I'm at least 3 feet.
The guy opens his door and gets shot, and you think that of me? No. I am the one who knocks.
What is this? What is this, please?
I've only got one dart.
I live back in the woods. And I missed.
Wystarczy, bo mnie ciśnie. Co?
To the guy who coded my car.
Okay, let's go.
Video was posted of a police officer in San Francisco pulling over a driverless car, then the car driving away after the officer saw no one was behind the wheel. Even more amazing, he still managed to shoot an unarmed black guy.
My success didn't happen overnight. In fact, it didn't happen at all.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9, 10 Mac 10s, the shits never end.
What's wrong? Hold on a second. What? Hold on. Like, kick yourself out a little bit. Alan. Stay still. Alan. You get it? No. Hold on. That's cool.
I own an apartment all the way up top of this building. But that's in GTA though, so.
Welcome to Watch Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 stupidest people.
$300 cutter, solid carbide cutter going down the tube. Do I dare just run up and try and grab it? No. Oh, it's getting close to something. Oh. Stand on something. Floor, man. Oh, oh God! Alright, she's done.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.